Hey guys, another video here. Ps4 power supply that came in. Yeah, so there's no power here. These are these version here that I'm not really a fan of because the parts are kind of hard to get. Yeah, not really a fan of this model here. Okay, so let's see what's going on here. Where's my multimeter? Just say why not make a video this today. Okay, so that's okay. Okay, so we start from here. First fuse, that's fine. We move to the second. There's nothing going on. We move to here. Usually it's always fine. Let's see here. This dial is okay. It's perfect. Test here. That's okay also. Okay, so no short here, no short there. So this is fine, that's fine. Okay, what is this? No, nothing special there. Okay, these are just diodes. I think one should be shorting and the other one shouldn't. That's okay. So shorting here is never a problem. If you see that, don't panic. Otherwise, you'll go into a rabbit hole. Okay, so we move there. Usually we come here to this Zener MOSFET. Oh, Zener MOSFET is Zener protection. Either way. Okay, so we have no short there. And we test here. Also no short. So where's the problem then? Okay, let's move to this capacitor. That's okay. It's also fine. Okay, move. Okay, I don't see the problem yet. Yeah, and there's nothing obvious actually. Okay, there's something obvious here. Let me see. I must have seen it. I didn't pay attention much there. So yeah, when you look here, yeah, so something must have happened somewhere close to here. So if you flip this, where is that thing there? Is it, yeah, this one here? If you flip it, it looks like, yeah, so it's leading us to here. So let's see. Yeah, let's see. Okay, that's okay there. No short. No short also. It's clear. Oh, there we go. We've got something going on here. That's shorting. Yeah, okay, so this is shorting. Let's remove this and see what's going on. Okay, that's off. That is off. Let's see if we still have a short. That's clear. It's also clear. Let's see here, these two. They're not shorting. We should be getting 10 ohms here. If you go to resistance mode, you see. Should be getting 10 ohms. 7.2. Well, should be getting 10 ohms here. Okay, we have 10 ohms on top here, and we're getting 7 point something here. Yeah, I don't work a lot on these ones here, but I'm just using my experience on the other power supplies there. So I'm expecting at least 10 ohms. Yeah. If I'm not getting 10 ohms here, based on my previous experience on the other power supplies, usually means this chip here could also be faulty. But we'll just give it a try, see if everything is okay here. Ground, need to find the ground somewhere here. Ground, okay, that's definitely ground if you look at the data sheet. We'll just hope for the best. And I don't have this chip in stock, so yeah, this lowers my hope already. So we'll just see. Maybe it's 7 ohms on this model here. So I know I fixed a couple, but I don't remember well. Okay, so we need to put a MOSFET here, and then we place the fuse over here, and then we'll give it a shot. If it blows, then yeah, then I was right, and I'm sure I'm right. But the thing is now I don't have anything else to compare to, so that's the dilemma I have right now. I don't have a similar power supply to compare to. Oh, similar working actually. I might have a similar but not working. So I need a similar but that's working. Okay, so this is off. Power supply. Let's see. I have one similar here. Let's just see. Let's see what we're getting over here. Okay, I'll flip. I don't think that's okay. Shall do this, and then we shall get a ring somewhere. Let's see. Yeah, I'll take this one. Why am I taking this one? Usually it's like when I'm reading on both sides, most of the time, those are the good ones. That's just a theory that I just developed. So doesn't mean I'm right. Something like most of the time when I do that, I don't have any issue. Oh yeah, so let me just do the testing before soldering this. Okay, let's go to Homes. Let's go to Homes. Okay, I was saying 10 ohms. I'm still getting 7. Well, let's just see. If anyone, okay, let's just say if it does work, great. If it doesn't work, anyone with a similar power supply, if you can confirm, I'd like to hear your opinion. If you can at least confirm that it's supposed to be 10 ohms on both sides. Why I'm saying that, because when you look at the Ps4, the other power supplies, other Slim's power supply, usually 10 ohms. Let's just see here what I'm gonna get. I'm getting 7 also, and this one is also not working. Over here I'm getting 10. So that's just the logic that I operate with. Okay, let's see if one of these fuses is fine. That's okay, we'll take this one here. Okay, that's off. Okay. Yeah. Bend a little bit so it doesn't fall. Okay, so that's that. We've got what, about 12 minutes now so far. Let me just see. Okay, now since we put this fuse here, let's see. Yeah, we have continuity here, and that's definitely ground. Getting some type of reading there. Are we gonna get a short here now? Because now we have continuity all over, just to be sure. Yeah, so okay, that looks okay, but I'm just doubting here. I'm having doubt on this side. Yeah, and then I don't have this thing. It's HR1001C. Should be that thing that I was trying to find one online with another power supply that I fixed some other time ago. Okay. Oh, yeah, it's this way, yeah. Yeah, it's HR1001C. So, moment of truth. My hopes are not high on this one. We're expecting this here to be bad. I think this thing died and killed this thing here and blew that thing there just to protect it. Okay, where am I? That's okay. Yeah, okay, let's see. I don't know what this is, but I don't think that's anything there. Okay guys, yeah, let's see what's going on here. If it does explode, means I was right. Okay guys, we've got power in, and then maybe I was on, maybe. We've got power in, and there is an explosion. Yet. Let's just see if we're getting a 5 volt somewhere. Stand by. Yeah, let's see. Nothing there. Yeah, we've got standby there. Yeah, we've got standby. Okay. So I think it was supposed to be 7 ohms, huh? After all. So where am I? Let's push this thing down. Okay, so let's see. Beep beep beep. Beep beep beep. Okay, it hasn't blown yet. It's working. Yeah, so what did I learn from today? You need to get 10 ohms over here, and then you have to get 7 ohms over here. Okay guys, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.